Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy here. Today I have a wig from Luvme Hair. They sent me this curly wig that I transformed, put some highlights in, just looking scrumptious for the summer. This is a perfect wig to wear for the summer. It has this beautiful highlights. It curls so well. It didn't even get damaged. I like bleached this wig twice and it already came pre-colored, which is crazy. Shedding is minimal and shipping took less than a week. So this hair is A1. This is my second time working with Luvme Hair. I worked with them before when I did what was it, a U-part wig, and I love that, and I love this wig. They are official. So I have nothing bad to say. What I'm gonna do is show you how I got this look and this install. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So here we have the packaging from Luvme Hair. They sent me this cute little purple bag and this ombre brown wig. It's so pretty, but I really wanted to add some highlights to this wig to make it pop. It has a lot of parting space, so you can free part this wig. It also comes with 3 combs in the front, well, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. And they also gave me a flat iron. Isn't that cute? And last but not least, they gave me a wax stick. So here is the wig on the mannequin. I combed out the curls and I am getting ready to add these highlights. I'm just using my BW powder mixed with 40 volume developer, and I'm just making sure that that cream developer and this bleach is all throughout the hair. And I'm also doing light strokes towards the top of the wig so I can have those streaks for that highlight. Once you're done applying the bleach, you want to use some aluminum foil and let that sit. The aluminum foil is going to help heat up the hair and speed up the process. And I'm just going to continue doing the same steps for each section of hair. I put highlights throughout this whole wig, so you are going to see the final result. So here's the wig after it has all the highlights in it. It looks a little bit dry and crazy because I sectioned the hair off and I wanted to keep those low lights, but it came out so good. I love it. So here is the final look after I colored the wig. As you can see, I have really high highlights and then I have some low lights. As you can see, it's like a little darker right here. And when you go inside, towards the ends, they're darker. So I really made the front of this wig pop with this color. So now we are going to install the wig. Of course, we're going to use Gots to Be glue. So let's get into it. So I like to focus and put the glue towards my forehead first, and then I do the sides after. That helps to make a really flawless install. And you just make sure that the glue is evenly distributed, so when it dries, it really sticks to the wig. So as you can see, this wig is laid. I comb some of the baby hairs forward just to make sure that the lace doesn't lift up, and then, you know, I style them after the fact. And I comb back as much hair as possible without lifting the lace first. And then I'm gonna pin my hair up and put on my scarf to make sure that this wig stays on flat, you know? So now it's time to take off the scarf. We let our lace melt. And we're gonna get it right and tight. So now I'm gonna take my wax butter and we're gonna use this to make this wig super flat around the hairline. And I'm gonna use my hot comb to straighten this. And I'm gonna use my styling mousse just to put a few baby hairs around the hairline. And this mousse also helps to get rid of any white cast that was put on the hairline when you were installing the wig. So you're gonna see no white marks. This mousse also helps to give a nice natural look of baby hairs, because when you use glue, sometimes it comes out too harsh and it makes the baby hairs look thicker. So I'm gonna use a little bit of glue, but not too much. All right, we got the hairline done. It's super easy once you pluck and customize and everything on the mannequin. I usually show you guys how I do that, but I showed you many a time, so hopefully you got the hang of it. So I'm gonna take my argan of Morocco oil. It's my favorite. If you're not new to my channel, you know. So we're gonna spray this all throughout the wig. And this is gonna help to make sure that the wig doesn't look greasy, because it's gonna have grease in there. Well, it's gonna have oil in there, but it's not gonna be heavy. So you place that in your hair first, and you curl the hair, and you don't even need any more oil. So just put a good amount. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is the final look. We are slayed to the gods, ready to go nowhere. We're still quarantined, but hey, we can get cute for no reason. I'm really doing this for y'all. I really be looking crazy with the Meek Mills. I call them Meek Mills braids, the braids, just chilling in the house in a big t-shirt. But it feels good to get glam, you know? So I want to thank Luvme Hair for sending me this wig and you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support, give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Until my next video, peace.